Really, really strange. Let me get some ones in the chat, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You have literally a minute again. Welcome, 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 welcome. Is this even streaming? Yes, streaming. Yeah, you guys hear me loud and clear, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Welcome, 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 everyone. And let's get this thing rolling, rocking, and rolling. We have literally 40 seconds again for the Asia market to actually open. I don't know why my side is only loading. That's really, really strange. But we could cope with it. Once we have Japan open, we could. Seeing gold, seeing gold, seeing gold did some seeing gold. Holy gold is massively high. But we could cope with that, right? We had 15 seconds ago. We're looking at the JPN 225 right now. Ah boy, big up Mufa. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. See you in the chat. Alright, we have 15 sec. Yeah, market gonna open up right now. You see two lots. 1.5. 2.5. Cool. Yeah, yeah. That's my lot size there. JPM for me. All right, cool. Let me talk about. Let me talk about. Let me talk about JPM. All right, nice, nice, nice. All right, cool. So Japan, same thing. You're looking at the Japan pair first. All right, bull battery test. You know, this is a good entry right now. Honestly, I don't want to see no glitches on my side. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. All right, cool. Cool, 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 cool. All right, looking at Japan right now. Well, let me see if she's gonna show us more selling pressure. Alright. I was looking at a little too much lines now. Go this for now. Gotta leave on this. Too much lines now. Can I move this? Delete. Yeah, too much lines now. Yeah, that's good enough. You see she gonna braid it high. If she braid it high, cool, we can take her to the upside. If she braid it low, we could take her to the downside. Like right now. Looking at it right now, that's good volume she gave us there. I'm just sitting down here waiting to see exactly. Yeah, I'm now sitting down here waiting to see exactly what she's gonna do. All right, and just waiting for the market to actually come to me, man. Honestly, all right. Patience, patience, patience. All right, now this morning was really good. Honestly, this morning is really good. If you actually took that trade, that's not in the chat here. You get through. I get to lock in something early, got through. But she, as I said early, as I said early, but she did pull back, reach near stop loss on that trade, actually sent out in the chat, and then after continue to the upside. Now I didn't check back to see if she hit take profit or whatsoever, so I'm not gonna call that a winning trade. Um, just gotta cope with it and move on, right? So let's see how Japan gonna play off here tonight. Um, I seen some bullish pressure right now. Wow, good push right now, man. Looking at Japan, right? No, 823. No, actually, sitting down here watching the market do its thing. Alright, honestly, right? Alright, cool. Yeah, that's good push. That's good push. That's good push. I one more push to the upside. Need one more push to the upside. Now there's a slight little supply zone there. You gotta be careful. Exactly. We gotta be careful because this whole area which you can reject to drop back down. Now I see a nice slight little differential. If she engulf this candle under 1 minute, we could take her down. Obviously. So right now, 5 minute may be looking crazy. We're seeing wicks on both sides. So that means that which they're actually showing equal buyers and equal sellers right now. Right now, we have a minute again to see what the candle gotta show us before the candle close in this 5 minute range here. Got a minute again to see what's up. We are no news also, so we're supposed to be good for that, right? We are no news also. Yeah, we got no news here also, so we're supposed to be good with that. I like that drop though. To me, I favor sells rather than buys in this market because he's actually showing us some selling pressure in mostly under 1 minute. Alright, cool. Yeah, I'm taking a sell right now on Japan. So he's selling Japan right now. First trade of the night. We in on sells right now on Japan. Stop loss gonna be 6,000 points, 600 points, giving us that pullback. Now I didn't give you guys no TPS yet. We probably stop loss in first, right? 6,000 points, 600 pip, right? Ah boy. No boy. Come on, we need that Japan. I'm sitting here waiting. Back to the entry, slightly in profits. Back to the side little pullback. To me, she clearly has already this market going to drop, right? Remember, your stop loss is 6,000 points, 600 pips, right? Same thing. Always remember that. That's supposed to be equivalent to your 3%. Now we got this candle giving us some deeper pullbacks. Now honestly, I don't mind closing off the street early with a loss, right? Just to know exactly what she's gonna do, because yeah, she ain't giving us that kind of move right now. Honestly, she ain't giving us that kind of move right now until she break. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna call her stop loss hit. Cool, stop loss actually hit on the street for the 6,000 points. Exactly. So she pulled back on stop loss out there. Now I'm still gonna wait. Oh no, 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 we ain't gonna wait again. This market not break the high, yo. But she rejecting off for the highs a lot at the same time. Now if the market actually drop back down, I wouldn't take the entry at the same area, actually take it at that original literally sell off right here, rather than taking at the same area. And because of that, we could actually follow what we see rather than taking it up very, very deep here. Because that's just look like it's a pullback for the market to show us more higher buy, more bullish pressure, buying pressure. Right now, she could as reject offer here and actually drop, but I rather wait for this here to actually come down to see a drop, right? Um, yeah, this market is actually moving out sideways right now, so I am waiting, waiting, waiting again. Now, gold is have given us nothing at the moment, also. We check this 5 minute candle. Now, tonight, honestly, I'm feeling for a big trade, all right? And let's see if it actually correct. Yeah, 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 yeah. This market is bullish, yo. Now this market gotta go up, yo. This market gotta go up, yo. Okay, cool. We just want to see that structure be broken. So we had to sit and wait for this madness to take place, actually settle. All right, in order for you to see some nice buying pressure in this market, right? Honestly speaking, there's a lot of gaps to actually be fulfilled for this market to be bullish, right? Yeah, I'm seeing her dropping right now. If she actually drop to my specific deep area entry, I'm just actually going to be taking it for a quick one-to-one, meaning how much I'm risking. We go for that really quick. If not, she doesn't give us a push to the downside and she actually break to the upside, yeah, I'm taking her to the moon. So we waiting. All right, we need an engulfing candle in this bad market. This is a new 5 minute candle that's now open. All right, new 5 minute candle that's now open. We waiting patiently, man. We waiting patiently, as I said, very patient, very patient. Okay. Oh no, she reached this high. We have a gap here to be fulfilled. She actually brought up into this gap. She brought up. So this we have a retest to see bullish, or she could just come and take a liquidity grab to the downside. So both side of this market is actually really good. We just had to get her at a good momentum on the Japan, alright? Um, um, so the 15 minutes actually look normal, really cool. Wow, 15 minutes in give us the kind of structure neither. She was a bullish structure, then she pulled back, reached these lows, rejected off of these lows. Uh, 15 minutes, okay, I'll look at it on the 15 minute can't wait, yes. And wait for this count to actually close in the next 2 minutes and 20 seconds, man. Yeah, that's a lot of traffic. We waiting, man. Let's go. I'm still waiting. I want to see exactly what she's gonna do. Now, this here is literally called a no volume kind of trade. When I say no volume, like literally there is no volume, no strong movements actually taking place. Literally, within that first 15 minutes right now, no kind of volume actually taking place right now on, never mind, talk too soon. Talk too soon, man. Seeing some bullish move taking place here now. Oh no, alright, cool. Looking at Japan, yo. Good push right there. Talk too soon, man. Take it back, Japan. Talk too soon. Do a G. Bam. Yeah, that's good, yo. 18 seconds. Let me see if this kind of gonna fulfill that wick to the upside. If it doesn't, Just gotta wait more. 6,000. Yeah. Alright, cool. So right now she's moving very, very, very slow. Literally very slow. But she's still showing us that buying momentum right now, the bullish momentum right now, right? Now I'm taking my time with these markets, man. Taking our time with these markets, man. Alright, so we got a new 50-minute candle open, right? She gotta show us that kind of direction right now, honestly speaking. 15 minutes of actually pure nothing, like nothing right now. Crazy. Alright, cool. So we got on the 15 minutes, we got a doji candle. Two wicks on this two wicks on the both side actually equal, but they kind of like that. Boom. Alright. Now it's time for this new 15-minute candle to actually show us that direction. If she's gonna buy up, if she's gonna sell down. Alright. Basically. She break the wick at the high, cool, we could take her to the highs. You could take her to the moon. Once she break the wick above. She doesn't break the wick below. Now I don't like the sales though, but she break the wick below, we go with the market shock and take her to the downside, right? Obviously. Alright, so she's showing us the bullish move right now. Alright, we're buying Japan right now, guys. I'm in on buys on Japan right now. This market only pull back and fail to give us that push off. I'm gonna call it a sweet night. So I'm in on buys on Japan right now. You see where did I get it? 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 Show me where did I get it? Stop loss is 6,000 points always. I got it at the pullback. Show me my entry. Stop loss is 6,000 points always. Alright. Edit. Let's make sure what's going on here because I think she giving us some pullback, same kind of thing too. Alright, cool. Alrighty then. Okay, cool. Thought so, Japan. Thought so, Japan. Come on, we need to see that bullish move there, yo. We need that bullish move, Japan. You're playing too much with our trade right now. TP on this trade. What is that? Alright, cool. Take profit on the trade. Alright, so she's showing us back to the entry cycle pullback again. Alright, gold now arc up also, which is good. Hmm, 16, 17, 18, 19. Seeing some side pullbacks here, yo. Come on, Japan. We need some rejections to see a go to the upside. Alright, take profit on the trade. Gonna be 21,000 points, which is 2,100. Pip, 2,100. So some broker is going to be 2,100. Some broker is going to be 21,000 points, all right? So 2,100 points, 21,000 points. Two of them same thing, all right? Some brokers may be different, all right? Stop loss is going to be 6,000 points, and which is 600 pips, same thing. That's the SL. Now I didn't get stop out as yet. I'm still in. I'm still in. As you see, my stop loss is here. It didn't reach there as yet. We're still in the street. Right now she's giving us some pullbacks. So maybe she actually pull back and stop me out. I'm gonna call it a sweet night, man. We don't want to overtrade like that. But if I see something, I'm gonna say something, right? Now just like gold. I seen something with gold, which I ain't mind pulling the trigger with gold, because gold is actually showing us some strong bullish move right now. And the only thing with gold is actually yeah, it continue giving us the bullish move on the gold for buys, alright? Which makes sense, alright? Now I'm not gonna take no trade on gold, seeing as we in Japan already. So if Japan actually pull back and stop me, alright, I'm so done. I'm gonna take me 3.6% losses tonight, basically, alright? Now my spreads is massive on this trade. Alright, we're back at entry, slightly in profits. They are new 5 minute now. So we need this new 5 minute can to break the high. Hey, where she is, where she is, where she is, where she is. Let's go, Japan. Right now we're running some slide 200% profit right now. Some slide we are looking for 20,000.21. Yo. Okay. All right. So this here with the market is that is my original entry for the buy off, right? Now this area does normally be a reject. She's gonna reject literally. This is normally be the area which you're gonna reject. All right. Now right now we're running like 400% profit. Sound good? Um, right now it come like it up. How much you lost just now? So break even kind of thing. But let's see if she's gonna actually continue showing us a bullish move, right? So you see, as I was saying, she's gonna reject. What was she's doing? Rejecting right back to the entry again. So she's gonna reject, give us a pullback, possibly slightly draw down. The are base right here. We could actually see it actually pull back to retest it and then see a push off. In other words, where's my marker at? Marker. Do I have it up? Find my side actually taking a little long to load. Alright, cool. So you can see a pullback here, slight little drawdown to see a continuation to the upside, right? So this pullback we're gonna be in slight little drawdown. Alright, so at this area here we need to see some rejections. This area here we need to see some rejections taking place to see that new high being created, to see it actually show us a bullish move to the upside. That's all we need to see here now. Hmm. So gold reject immediately. Exactly. Gold didn't break out with volume, but she rejected. Both sides could be really nice too. To take her all the way down, that'd be really nice. That'd be really nice on both sides. But say what? Fighting with Japan right now, yo. Japan actually fighting with us. Cool. She's fighting right now. Alright. Honestly, she's fighting. This market is fighting too much times. She did show us the reject to show us. Alright, cool. So we're seeing some bullish move taking place right now. 1 minute can actually close as a doji candle. So we want to see this new 1 minute can actually come and pass that letter high. Once she passes that high back to the entry, we're gonna be Gucci, right? If she doesn't and she passes the low, the potential get a little minus stop loss on that trade. If she break the low of that candle wick. In other words, for Philly wick. Yep, exactly. Alright, that stop loss actually hit you. Stop loss actually hit. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a sweet night, man. Market conditions was so cruel, honestly. She did give us nah. This market conditions was cruel, honestly speaking. Right, it was really, really not clean. I'm gonna call it a sweet night, man. I want to say a sweet. Now I'm gonna call it a L night, man. A L night, man. I mean, there's 6% we lost, supposed to loss here in this market. But we're gonna come back stronger than ever in the morning and actually capitalize stronger than ever in this market in the street, right? Now, another thing is that if I see something, obviously I'm gonna see something in the chat, all right? So please look out in the chat, all right? Around 9, all right? Around 9, if you see something, I'm gonna say something, and let's capitalize properly in this market, right? Because this market is actually moving, as you see, is actually moving sideways. No kind of strong momentum. Now, yeah, I'm still watching Japan because Japan have some strong bullish pressure that she could actually do. But at the same time, she did reject and actually stop us out, right? So we're gonna call it a sweet night there, man. Come back and yeah, we're gonna call it a night there, man. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Appreciate you guys coming on. And please look out in the chat for another trade either, man. So let's go and see you guys shortly.